Every journey begins where nature ripens perfection. Skilled hands protect quality from the first touch. Careful handling preserves every fruit.
Quality begins before machines take over.
Harvest meets logistics. Movement carries freshness forward.
Every batch is accounted for.
Protection preserves texture.
From field to facility. The journey continues. Nature's design remains intact. Traceability ensures trust. Origins fade behind the process.
Direction is set.
Harvest becomes industry.
Freshness depends on controlled movement.
Responsibility rides with every mile.
Climate control preserves quality. Stability prevents damage. Efficiency keeps time intact. Industry rises from farmland.
Approaching destination. Turn right onto the facility road.
Precision guides delivery.
Arrival meets protocol.
Clearance granted. Verification ensures integrity.
The facility takes over. Flow is clearly defined. Scale defines modern processing.
Accuracy prevents delay.
Transport hands over to process.
The next stage begins.
Industry awakens with motion. The environment changes, the purpose remains.
Order defines efficiency. Hygiene protects every batch.
Flow replaces bulk.
Data follows the product.
Paths are engineered, not guessed.
Human oversight remains constant. Preparation meets purification. Cleaning begins the transformation.
Precision is controlled, not assumed.
Materials chosen for purity. Nothing is wasted, everything managed. Timing creates continuity. The process is now fully underway. The first cleanse removes the field's imprint. Motion replaces manual labor. Only the fruit proceeds.
Sustainability flows silently.
Purity is confirmed, not assumed. Moisture is carefully reduced. Order prepares for judgment. Technology sees what eyes may miss.
Human judgment still matters.
Uniformity enables precision.
Standards are verified.
Flow is momentarily held. The heart of processing awaits. Diversity returns as one. Only the best continue. Preparation meets precision. Positioning defines accuracy.
Engineering replaces repetition.
Preparation without damage. Nothing is ignored.
Verification ensures safety.
Consistency is enforced. Cleanliness continues. Cleanliness continues.
Moisture is carefully balanced. Quality is felt, not guessed. Uniformity supports packaging.
Rhythm keeps continuity. Timing is controlled. The process advances.
Core is complete.
Transformation refines what nature provides.
Balance is engineered.
Stability ensures consistency. Appearance reflects care. Protection without excess.
Uniformity is intentional.
Finish locks in quality.
Technology safeguards texture.
Human sense confirms machines.
Patience perfects taste.
Many paths become one.
Excellence is observed.
Approval moves the process on. Scale increases, control remains. Transformation is complete. Automation amplifies consistency.
Balance is engineered.
Accuracy moves at speed. Machines listen to data.
Precision replaces repetition. Position defines success.
Problems are corrected instantly.
Correction without interruption.
Human oversight never leaves.
Every gram matters.
Standards remain firm. Efficiency allows recovery. Packaging takes form. Systems run in harmony. Automation hands over to precision. Precision completes the form. Identity is applied.
Clarity builds trust.
Accuracy is confirmed.
Security is visible. Uniformity defines quality. Nothing is assumed. The human eye still decides. Presentation matters.
Order prepares for storage.
Structure forms around product. Protection surrounds value. Closure completes the unit. Verification comes next.
Quality is proven, not promised.
Every batch faces scrutiny.
Security is verified.
Inspection moves closer.
Details reveal the truth.
Stability is measured.
Approval is earned. Standards are uncompromising. Only verified product continues. Quality secures confidence. Final journey begins. Organization meets efficiency. Protection preserves integrity. Traceability ensures clarity.
Mobility organizes space.
Order preserves capacity.
Preparedness awaits dispatch. Movement resumes.
Preparation meets transit. Every detail ensures safety.
And this is how modern factories produce dates from start to finish.
Distribution begins.
Scale showcases efficiency.
Operations synchronize every stage.
Your journey through production ends here.